Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 12th. This is for the 12th of May. Virgo, what a way Yendi Phillips' daughter get big. I cannot believe it. I was looking at an interview with Yendi Phillips because she was interviewing her daughter. What her daughter name? Israel? Her daughter named Israel McGregor, because you know that Yendi Phillips' baby father was Chino McGregor. The big Jesus Christ, McGregor. Not Conor McGregor. The Jamaican singer. Anyways, what a way Yendi Phillips' daughter get big. Jesus Christ, she's so Israel is so beautiful. Israel is an uptown Jamaican girl. No, because I feel like I need to, think before I talk, because that's how uptown Jamaican people talk. That is uptown. It's giving preparatory school. What school Yendi Phillips' daughter go? It's giving prep. Yendi Phillips' daughter, I never understood. I mean, other than the fact that people didn't like the fact that Yendi Phillips was with that baby father, right? I never understood why people gave Yendi Phillips such a terrible rap. Not like she was on the internet acting like me. You understand? Yendi Phillips' daughter, Israel. This is a prep school girl. I can tell by how she talking. But say, what a way her daughter get big. I could not believe it. And she looked like Yendi, and she looked like her father. What a way Yendi Phillips' daughter get big. Jesus Christ. I remember the first time I met, no, not the first time. Was it the first time? I met Yendi Phillips at TVJ Studios already. But I also met Yendi Phillips when Floyd Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao was fighting. We didn't meet her. But say, what a way Israel McGregor gets so big. What a way she gets so big. I could not believe it was the same child. On Yendi, this is what Google have. On September the 21st. So yeah, so Yendi, your daughter and my father born the same day. On September 21st, she gave birth to a 7-pound, 11-ounce baby girl named Israel. But say, what a way Israel get big. I could not recognize her, Yendi. I could not recognize her. What an intelligent young woman. It's giving prep. That is prep school, girl. You hear how she talk? Prep school. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo. I'm not sure if there's something you're hiding. Maybe you're hiding how much kids you have. Maybe you're hiding your daughter. Maybe you're hiding your son. But one thing we know for sure is, what a way Yendi Phillips' daughter gets so big. So big, so beautiful, so educated, so outspoken, so modest. And you see how Yendi Phillips dressed her daughter. Some of your daughters are walking around like before the age of 13. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo, the clothing man. We have the 5 of Cups coming out first. Yeah, I'm getting something about a failed relationship. And Yendi Phillips, you should know that even though Chino was a dirty fucker, you and him produced a beautiful baby. Beautiful, beautiful. Israel is so beautiful. She's so outspoken. And I love how you dress her. I love how you dress her. I'm getting something about a failed relationship. And that's the thing. Sometimes, yes, you're with a man. And you and the man have so much love for each other, you create a baby. And sometimes the relationship don't last, but you get a big blessing out of it. Me, on the other hand, I don't want to have nothing to do with. I don't want to have nothing to do with that though. Some people be like, it's okay if I break up with a man and have a baby. I'm not in that drama. Either way, Yendi Phillips, what a way your daughter get big. I could not believe it was her. She's so outspoken. Anyways, we're getting the 5 of Cups. That's usually a failed relationship, okay? We have the Emperor, yeah. And look on who is our grandfather. Forget who our father is. Look on who our grandfather is. McGregor. What his name? I can't remember our grandfather name. Something McGregor. I don't remember what his name. But anyways, the Emperor. Here's the Emperor. Now, this could be something about a failed relationship with the Emperor. And believe me, Yendi, your baby father was not an emperor. I don't know who was a weirder match. Yendi Phillips and Chico are fucking Popcorn and Tony and Sing. I don't know which one was a weirder match, but what we do know is what a way Israel so pretty. I could not believe that was her. What a way she get big. Israel, your mother was on TVJ studio with Neville and fucking Simon before you was even born. What is this? I cannot believe how big Yendi Phillips' daughter gets. Jesus. Anyways, so a failed relationship. Me getting something about the emperor's relationship that just failed, or me getting you broke up with this emperor. At Aries, we have the Four of Pentacles. Me also getting the man that help you with nothing. Me getting the man that go around with big name, and me getting him give you Four of Pentacles for you and your daughter. You don't get money, you don't get help. And me getting you're not the baby mother to go up on social media and be like, and baby, listen, I know what I know, and that motherfucker knows what he knows, and he never gave me money, okay? I do not know you. What the fuck you mean you don't know? You're not the type of person to go up on social media and argue and talk about what your baby father is doing, because you are an educated woman. Yendi Phillips was missing. Let me fucking tell y'all people something. Wait, let me make sure I Google my information first. Yendi Phillips was a Miss Universe and she was a Miss Jamaica. She was both. She was Miss Jamaica and she was Miss Universe, right? Where baby father name? Me try to get our baby father. Yendi Phillips, your baby father is so irrelevant. Watch out, Israel name is trending. Our daughter is so pretty. Me getting them don't help you with nothing. Four of Pentacles. Me getting somebody in your life that's going around acting like them are the emperor. Them is a fucking deadbeat. Them a act like them are the emperor. Them a give orders. Them a say, yeah man, do this, do that. Them is a fucking deadbeat. Them don't get no child support. Them no blood clot help you with the kid. Them don't get Four of Pentacles. So I don't know if this is a Virgo, that's an emperor, or this is an Aries emperor that you broke up with. Me getting him as a deadbeat. We have him is a deadbeat. Me getting ever since you had the child, him turn your back on you. But wait till the child get famous. Wait until the child start lick social media. You're gonna see the father run back into the child life and try to claim. You're gonna see. Wait till the child get famous. Wait till the child starts gain traction. Wait till the child start do things in the country where the child name is being called in newspapers and TV. You'll see how the father run come back in. Watch. One more. Yeah, the six. Come and getting you set to yourself. It don't make sense. You're with somebody and you're sleeping with them and them not help you with this child. Come and getting first. It was. I don't think it's my kid. Then it went to, oh well, them I ignore you. Me getting you a take care of your baby alone. Nobody not help you. And because of the poised woman you are, you're not going around go tell people say the emperor is a deadbeat. You're not going around go tell people say the emperor probably have multiple kids. But me getting eventually that's why you left him. Him is a deadbeat. Him not give you no money, and him not give. I talk about money for your status. I not talk about just because you're a girl and you have a baby, if you get money. Me getting what kind of girl you are. Because as far as we know, Yendi Phillips' body count is 1. And even though we know that she was with Dirty Chico, whatever Kim one name, and even though she have a daughter, might as well her body count is 0. Might as well. Let's continue the reading. 5 of Cups. The failed relationship is clarified by, dirty blood clot. Me getting that's why I left him, dirty blood clot. Yendi Phillips was the only fucking light-skinned woman to give a dark-skinned nigga a fucking chance. Dirty blood clot, man. Cause me getting before you do, and that's why I'm run go there with you. Cause you're big Miss Universe and you're big Miss World. And I don't mean to bring up these things. And I remember, everybody remember how the Observer did the interview with Yenny Phillips and Chico. And you can see that because Yenny Phillips have media training when she was pregnant and unwed. And when Yenny Phillips had media training, she came out on the interview holding Chino hand, talking about the relationship. And we knew something was wrong. Yendy, we know that you're a very good television personality and Smile Jamaica. And even though you can read TVJ's teleprompter beside Neville, really good. We know that shit was fucking orchestrated. Because the way how you talk like it's a Miss Jamaica question. We know that Chico, we know he must have dirty blood clot from day one. Am I getting when you get pregnant, the neglect turn up? Am I getting enough shit what happened with you and your pregnancy with Israel? I know enough things happen you never talk about. And you never wanted to talk about it because you said to yourself when the baby born, you want a relationship with this man. Me getting means that him is a dirty fucker. You in the feeling the only fucking girl, the only fucking Miss Jamaica and Miss World to give a dark skinned nigga a chance. Jesus Christ, him fuck it up. And this is not to put any pressure on your daughter. We're talking about the father of your daughter as an individual soul. We're not talking about the father of your daughter as the father of your daughter. Me getting that's why you left him. Worse, him have other woman, him have fuck on you. Who the fuck fucks on Yendy Phillips? That's how me know nails, hair, and lashes never blood clot matter. If that dirty fucker named Chico, his name is irrelevant. If that dirty fucker could have fucked by Yendy, listen to me, no nails, no hair, no BBL, and no fucking makeup could have keep a man loyal. Who the fuck fucks on Yendy Phillips? Who? And fucking Chica go on like a him. Sorry, your daddy name, your daddy, your blood clot father, your father name McGregor. Your father name McGregor. Nobody no blood clot you, cause if you fucking know. Sorry, Israel. Cover Yendy Phillips, cover Israel ears. If a blood clot knows, so when you did that with Yendy, you wasn't the blood clot emperor, and Yendy was the blood clot catch. You need to know that with your dark skin nigga blood clot self. You know, so when Yendy fuck you, the whole of blood clot Jamaica was surprised that Yendy would have pick up a dirty blood clot man like you. You know that. So yeah, go around and use your blood clot father name for fucking likes and comments and subscribes and shares. And Yendy was the blood clot prize. Know that. Know that. I don't know what these fucking Jamaican man. You saw them fucking. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I never mean it. I'm sorry. I never meant it. I'm sorry. I just telling my. I'm sorry. I never mean it. I never meant it that way, right? Every fucking body know that. And then fucking Yendy Phillips being fucking Miss Jamaica and Miss World, and she fucking laid down with Chico. And then fucking Popcorn there with Tony and sing and him sell her name, Tony and sing to fucking Burna Boy. What the fuck? Let's continue the reading. Let's see who the emperor is. The emperor could be the grandfather. Him for blood clot, him and nobody. Him and a blood clot body without him father name. Him for know that. What's the emperor? I did not mean to bring this up. But I had to. The Queen of Swords, yeah. I'm getting a grandfather did love you because you're intelligent and you're outspoken. Every blood clot man would have want them son for them with Yendy. But you see, sometime you cannot, you see, wait. Everybody did want them son for them with Yendy. That was the biggest talk of the town, who Yendy was going to get married to. And if you know things blood clot bad when me can't get married, but Yendy Phillips had babies out of wedlock, you know something wrong. You know something fucking wrong if I can be married at 20, if when I was 24, which was fucking 8 years ago. 8 years ago I was 24. Something half a fucking wrong if I could have been married at 24, but Yendy Phillips had a baby out of wedlock. You know something fucking wrong. Something definitely dead giveaway. Something blood clot wrong. Me getting you speak to the grandfather a lot. Or if you have anything, I'm getting maybe you're the grandfather, maybe you and the emperor, which is the man who have the real last name, you and him might get along or talk. But me getting the father is a deadbeat. Him is a womanizer. And me getting at some point him tell you to hide the pregnancy. And you say, no, me can't hide the pregnancy. Yendi Phillips have mother and father. You know that? She have mother and father. Someone will not have mother and father. The Four of Pentacles is clarified by the Chariot. Might as well it was a fucking interracial relationship, the way how China did look compared to Yendi. Me say, what a way Israel's so pretty. I cannot believe your daughter grows a big Yendi. I can't believe it. Me see her, me say this look like Yendi. She look like the father, she look like Yendi. Jesus Christ. And she's so outspoken. I don't even know how old she is. She's so outspoken, Yendi. You did a very, very good job. Chino, dirty blood clot, Chino. I'm also getting something about your next relationship. I'm getting something about a police officer. You see how long Miss Kitty have to wait for your relationship? Remember how people used to dog Miss Kitty? La, 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 la. Remember Miss Kitty? Look how long Miss Kitty had to wait for your relationship. You know how long Miss Kitty have to wait? You know, Miss Kitty never even have kids. Until recently. Now she have mommy diaries. And the man what Miss Kitty get, you see him always have glasses on. Him always have sunglasses on. That man that what Miss Kitty gets, him look like him is a certified gun owner. That's what the fuck him look like. I won't fucking lie. You saw how long Miss Kitty did have to wait for her own. But when she get it good. Where is Yanni Curvy Diva? Pre me long time. Big bumper gal, what's a bad wine? On your Instagram page, I'm lurking. I got no time for you cause I'm working. Big bumper gal, shake one time. From your bumper big shake, it's up like mine. Miss Kitty got her baby and her man. Where is Yanni Curvy Diva? Some gal grudge me through the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some gal don't know what hype life is. Life for me live till I'm not the nicest. Why am I taking money and a style like this? Yanni Curvy Diva, you may have taken a lot of girls' men, but so far Miss Kitty has been claimed. I can't wait to see who Yanni Curvy Diva is going to be claimed to. Them dirty cause Yendi, I don't even feel bad for you because you raised a beautiful daughter on your own. Beautiful. She's so outspoken. She's so intelligent. So beautiful. So intelligent. So kind. I'm getting something about, are you talking to a police officer? Am I getting the next man you got to talk to him in an immigration? Him is some type of officer. I don't know what kind of officer this is. I'm getting an officer. Going to be the next guy who you're dating or you talk to. Alright. The Three of Wands is clarified by the star. Yeah. Who the fuck turned them back on Yendi Phillips? Yendi Phillips' body count is still 0. And since we're on the topic of body count, why not you're walking around talking about you want to know a girl's body count? Ask your clot mother. Ask your mother how much man fuck her. Ask your mother how much blood clot come she swallow. And while you're on the blood clot topic, but you want to ask girl about them body count. Because I've heard a rumor that the doctors are asking. Tell the doctor them for go suck out them big pussy blood clot, mother. What the doctor want to know your fucking body count for? Him need to know how much money you fuck for know how much Tylenol for prescribe for you. Him need to know how much money you fuck for know if you need to depend on birth control with 2 female hormones or a male and a female. What the fuck them want to know that for? Doctor them want to know if you had the anal sex. The doctor them want to know how much sexual. Have you ever charged money for sex? What kind of blood clot? Tell the doctor them for fuck off and go suck out them big pussy mother. The fuck them want to know that for? So them can bring back your blood clot information. Tell the doctor for tell them mother for go do a blood clot DNA test since them know them blood clot father. Them asking you about body count, but them ask you about body count, but them mother don't know but you don't know who your father is. You saw them mother stay? You want to know how much man come in and come out inside of my hole, but your blood clot mother has yet to introduce it to your father. Why not ask your blood clot mother about fear blood clot body count? Ask her how much dick she did blood clot suck before she did find it necessary for not make you know who the fuck your father is. Cause suck your mother. Anyways, going back to Yedi Phillips. Yedi Phillips, what a way Israel get big. She's so beautiful. Jesus. Let's continue the reading. I knew makeup, nails, hair, lashes, that fuck never matter. If a man can fuck by Yedi Phillips, Miss World, and she was Miss Jamaica and Miss World. That's how me know. That's how no man could have met me blood clot insecure if my nails are done. You know, I popped the balloon because she could have put more efforts with her nails being done. And you know, she doesn't have a job. And you don't know who your father is. So that's so weird. I don't have a job, my nails not done, I don't wear makeup, I don't wear hair, and I might be unemployed, but you don't know who your blood clot father is. What's the 6 of Wands? The 7 of Pentacles. Me getting right now as it is that you will provide everything for the kid. And that's okay. You're an independent woman, that's okay. It could have break you. You could have fall off the scene and don't show your face again. You're very strong and you're raising a strong daughter. And you will get the wedding. You will get the wedding. You will get that happy ending that you want. And your daughter will be a part of the wedding when you get it. She will be the flower girl walking down the aisle, seeing you marry the man. Because I feel like you're saying to yourself, you're very skeptical about dating and bringing people around your daughter. Your daughter is very intelligent. You see, if your daughter don't like a man, your daughter born the 21st of September. If she don't like a man, she'll tell you straight up, say, Mommy, I don't like him. Mommy, I don't like. Mommy, how is Valentine's Day? Mommy, how this is happening? And remember, people, Mother's Day is for the mothers. Valentine's Day is for the women who don't have kids. Remember that. So if your baby mother keeps pressuring you for a Valentine's Day gift, her day is on Mother's Day. Valentine's Day for the girl who don't have no baby. You should know it. I don't know if you know that. Mother's Day for the one them who have baby, whether they chose the father correctly or not. Valentine's Day for the girl who don't have baby. One more. The 8 of Swords. Cause me getting you say you feel stuck. Like how? As in you can't date? Yeah, remember you're Yedi Phillips. That's the first thing. You've been a farmer, Miss World, Miss Jamaica, plus you're a host, or you used to be a host on Smile Jamaica. I don't know if that's what it's still called. It's a long time. I don't really watch Jamaican TV since I've been in Canada. But what I can say is, yeah, me getting you feel like I cannot date again. You can. Nothing not stop you. Nothing not stop you. Me getting the next man you're going to date him in some type of severe. Is it not security? It could be immigration or police officer. I'm getting somebody that's highly restricted. I'm getting something like that. What was Yedi Phillips' birthday? Wait. Yedi Phillips born September the 8th. Okay. And she born September the 8th. And her daughter born September 21. We have illness. Cause I'm getting for a long time I feel like it is mad. Maybe you were supposed to mad. Cause a lot of I don't know if you know about like the cultic ring. A lot of them will get pretty girls, very, very beautiful girls, pharma beauty queens for mad them. Like me, I was supposed to got mad long time. I eat out a garbage bin, walk with no shoes on. Me they supposed to mad long time. Them they supposed to mad me long time. And it was with the help of my family. It was with the help of my father, my mother, my sister, my brother. Them was supposed to mad me long time. Me supposed to be walking up and down barefoot with no underwear, nothing on, my head shaved off, hair a growth on my arm, and my teeth fucked up and probably dip on drugs. Me I eat out a garbage bin. Was supposed to mad long time. Them supposed to mad me. But thankfully, again, I may have come from a third world country when it comes down to development and the corruption, but Jamaicans usually is first world mind. You know, see who was a top creator on TikTok? One Jamaican. How is that possible? Jamaica have 4 million people. How was it possible for the #1 creator on TikTok be a Jamaican man? Because we little but we talawa. Virgo. We're doing Virgo's reading. Yeah. Me getting a mad, them was supposed to mad you out long blood clot time. Mad out. But me don't know what keep you so strong. Me getting you supposed to mad the fuck out. Mad. Crazy. You know how long them for mad me? You know how long ago me for blood clot mad? Me supposed to mad out here, you know? Mad out and coke out and crack out. Me was supposed to be mad out barefoot and eat out a garbage bin. Me did supposed to mad the fuck out, girl. And the grace of the blood clot devil save me. Me gonna tell you that. We have Secret Society. We have Taurus. We have Libra. And we also have... Who's a Libra? Off your coast. Who's the Libra? Is Israel the Libra or is Yendi? Hold on. We're doing Virgo's reading. Isn't Yendi Phillips a Virgo? Yeah, Yendi Phillips is a Virgo. Right. Yendi Phillips, but you and your daughter is Virgo, right? Yendi Phillips? Yendi Phillips and her daughter is Virgos, right? So I'm going to pull Virgo here. And if you look in your chart, you might have Libra. You might have Virgo, Libra, and Taurus in your chart. Yeah. And mad them, they were supposed to mad out, girl. And Yendi Phillips, please be wary. I saw you doing that interview with your daughter, you're barefoot. Be wary. Be very wary of that. Be very wary of that, especially if now a man take a picture of you or you're doing an interview with a man and your bare feet. Be careful, a man them I want mad you out. You need to know that. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.